It is early in the afternoon, but I am getting some supper stuff ready because I'm going to use the sous vide function on the deluxe multi-cooker to do a pork tenderloin for supper. So I bought a big multi-pack from Costco yesterday. I think it was like 27 bucks, and I want to say they were on for $4 off the pack. So 5 big 1.5 pound tenderloins. I've got them vacuum sealed. Now, I could sous vide right in the vacuum sealed bag because that is what you want. You do want an airtight seal, but I'm going to actually use the large reusable silicone bag because it is sous vide friendly. And while I'm doing this, I have a sidekick pulling her stool over to come help. But the thing is, the reason why you want to get the air out of there is because if you don't get the air out, the bag will come up to the surface of the water and will float, in which case it won't properly be cooking. So sous vide literally translates to in water, so being cooked in water. And how it does this is the deluxe multi-cooker, please don't touch that, okay, the video is on, is going to regulate the temperature of the water and keep it at that temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, you need to stop, okay? Mommy just needed to do a quick video and can you guys maybe just come over here and play with these Legos while Mommy does the video, okay? Thank you. You want to get all the air out. Now, the vacuum seal obviously is going to be the most efficient way. However, it doesn't mean that if you don't have a vacuum sealer bag or the food saver system.
The avocado was melting.
It's not melting. It's just not as hard as it was the other day. You can still use displacement and the power of water to get all the air out of your bag. So I am going to actually put my marinade right in here. So this is an 8-cup capacity, and as you can see, a 1.5 pound tenderloin takes up a little less than half. So there's lots of room in these guys. I've actually just done up the marinade that is in the, on our website for this pork tenderloin, except I didn't have any of our herbs de Provence, so I have used Greek, because I think this is going to sort of taste like souvlaki if I use the Greek rub in there. So I've just whisked it. It's lemon juice, olive oil, the Greek rub, some salt, pepper, and onion powder. Pretty simple. And that is going to go right into our bag.
Mommy, I'll open my banana.
Can you get which is my banana? She wants a banana.
Can I have a banana?
Sure. Can I finish this video, please? So I said we were going to use water to get all of the extra air out. So if you know you're fully coated in your marinade in there, it's all in the bottom, there's no air pockets anywhere, you can fold this over a counter or even just over itself. So sort of like this to get as much air as possible out and then seal it. However, if you do that and get it most of the way closed, leave some of those little teeth open. I don't have my multi-cooker on yet, but I'm going to use the power of the water to push out all of that extra air. And then pinch it shut. So you can see that it has taken out all the extra air. We are airtight in here. And I am going to preheat the multi-cooker to sous vide. We are going to do for 2 hours at 140. There we go.
I have a picture on it.
And 2.
Oh, here.
And then we're going to push and hold. So we know that it's running. Now you can use the lid that comes with it, so the pressure cooker lid, or you can get the glass lid from the quick cooker and the multi-cooker, guys. Lou, I need you to be quiet for just one more minute. You can use that one as well because it's not a pressure cooker function. So yogurt, the sous vide, the slow cooker, you can use just the glass lid because it doesn't need to be pressurized. So we're going to wait for this to come to temperature. It is going to take between 30 and 60 minutes to come up to temp. because it's got to get up to and maintain that temperature, right, that we need, that 140, to get it to a medium cook on the tenderloin. We're going to leave it in there for 2 hours. Then when it comes out, I'm actually going to throw it into a skillet or onto the grill and just get those grill marks and sort of brown it off, get some color on the outside. Sometimes it looks a little bit off-putting because the meat isn't browned on the outside, so just throwing it in to get that sear is going to help get that color back. So then I can take that tenderloin and I might do up a Greek salad, and maybe I think I've got some naan bread, so I can make sort of like a little souvlaki plate for dinner. And yeah, it is a longer cook time, but really it's a lot of less time hands-on. Hopefully it wasn't too chaotic and you got some tips on how you can get the air out of your, whatever it is you're cooking in your sous vide. And I have to go before somebody makes some themselves. Bye!